Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll show you how to write notes using your voice on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Notes app. Then tap the Compose icon and the square with a pencil to create a new note. Tap anywhere inside the note to bring up the keyboard. On the keyboard, look for the microphone icon next to the space bar and tap it to start voice dictation. Begin speaking clearly, and your iPhone will automatically convert your voice into text. You can say punctuation marks like comma, period, or new line as you speak. If the text stops appearing, pause briefly and then continue talking. If the microphone turns off, simply tap the mic icon again to resume dictation. Once you're finished, tap any key on the keyboard, such as the space bar. Review the text and make any corrections if needed. Finally, tap Notes in the top left corner to save your note. Your voice-typed note will now appear in the Notes list and sync to iCloud if it's enabled. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching!